your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So you see, first of all, I log in my Instagram. I go to edit profile. Then you see I scroll down. Right on the page, you see connect or create page. So right now, I have not created or connected my page. I already created, but not connected yet. So what you need to do in the first place, just go to your Google Play Store on your device. So you just search for Pages Manager. Pages Manager. For the page manager, just click on it. You see it. So I already installed it, but not updated yet. So what you have to do after installation, just scroll. Then you just log in to the Pages Manager. So the Pages Manager, you just have to log in with your phone number, email address, along with your password at the bottom. Just put your password, then you can log in. You log in your page. So you see your page here, your Facebook page. So you just go to the last button here that I clicked. Look at right here. So the first option you see settings, see photo. So you just need to click on the first option, which is settings here. So you click on it. So inside settings, you see your push notifications, automated responses, appointment, and you see your Instagram here on the right connect. You see Instagram as the fourth option here, and the road connect. So you can connect your Instagram from here. Just click on it. Then you have to connect Instagram to get more features. So just connect account. So it will link you back to the web or your Instagram application. So you just have to wait. Loading. Okay. So right here, you're going to complete your action using any browser. You can use your Chrome browser or your Yandex browser. Just once. Just continue. So you see, connect Jojo Money with Instagram. Confirm. So you just have to wait. So you see, your Instagram ads. We use this Instagram account. So right now it's being connected. So you go back to check if it's really connected. You go back to your page manager. Maybe you just minimize or anyhow you want to do it. So you just go back and check. Loading. So you see, it's already connected to Jojo Money. So I go back to my Instagram to see if it's really connected directly to the Instagram application. Okay, coming. No, don't have to go to the browser anymore. Just go to the Instagram application directly right now. So you click on your profile. Okay, so you go to your edit profile where I've been through before. So you see now, once you look on the page, you see Jojo Money. That means it's being connected now. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications in case I post any videos to get notified by YouTube. Thank you.